Good morning. Hope everyone's doing well, and I hope everything was easy to get started on this morning for your work. I just wanted to say hi, and I miss you again. It's not as fun being in the room here by myself, talking to myself, so I might be a little crazy by the time you see me again. Not that I wasn't already crazy, but you shouldn't say that aloud. What I wanted to touch on today was just to say hello and then really quickly go over this form in case any of you were confused by it or had any questions. You can type it up if you want to do that on your computer, or you can do it by hand and then take a picture of it and send it to me by Monday. So every Monday is when I'm going to collect assignments. You don't have to turn it in right away. But just to go over the directions to make sure you understand, it should be pretty simple, but I know there are several of you that like to hear it verbalized. So the title, the author, those should be self-explanatory. And then what are 3 topics or chapters listed on your table of contents page? Again, by the time we're in 6th grade, those parts should be self-explanatory. The second part might be confusing to a couple of you because it says pick 3 questions, but then if you look at number 1, it's got 3 questions in it, but we're counting number 1 as 1 question. So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Out of those 5 listed, answer those questions completely in a paragraph. So number 1 would be 1 full paragraph addressing those 3 separate questions, but it's still counting as 1. Let's say you don't want to do number 2, you want to do number 3. That's fine. That's your second part. Yes, it has 2 questions, but that's counting as 1. So you are going to pick 3 out of the 5 to fully address and answer in paragraphs. Remember, we are 6th grade, 6th graders. We're in 6th grade. So you should be able to give me good paragraphs, not these little itty mini skinny ones. I expect to see good sentences, some compound sentences, not just short little mini type things. Do the correct level of work. And I want to encourage you to keep doing your work with the same expectations that I would in class as far as neatness. You guys have really made a lot of improvement in that area this year, and I don't want to see you go backwards. And of course, even though I can't see you and can't judge every single thing that you're doing as you're doing it, God does, and He encourages us in His Word to whatever we're given to do it heartily as unto the Lord and not to men. So I just want to keep you encouraged to give me your best effort, give God your best effort, give your parents your best effort. They can really use your help right now as they're dealing with this whole new structure of way of living and way of teaching, way of doing things. And that would help them to know that they can count on you to do your best and do what you need to do. Again, if you have any questions, I'm available. I'm here at school on campus every day. In fact, I'm getting ready to record tomorrow's math lesson. So hello again, goodbye again, and I'll see you hopefully in the math video. And I'm going to be picking up the pace on those a little bit for those that don't need quite so much pause time. So other than that, we'll see you then, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.